Alicia said, but.
Hey, boy.
I like that girl.
Where you taking my light away?
Wagwan people, it's your girl Yannicka Douglas, we're back with another episode of Let's Keep It Real. Okay, so this is Christmas Eve right now. We're about to get it in with our vegan Bailey's drink, beer things with almond milk. We're about to get our tray, our cheers on. That's Trey in the background with Jay.
Doing it ready?
Yeah,
Oh,
Minara.
I
And this is gonna be the video too. No, and I'll go back again. Bloopers. Take a little drinks. Where your little cup there?
No,
You
my
know
drink-
me, my name
my
is
drink somewhere here. It's
Celicia.
lost it. I don't know where it is.
I would be trying to do a Jamaican accent throughout the night, maybe with a little more drinks. Wait, how do I say it?
Drinks.
Drinks.
Yeah, she's gay.
Maybe with a little more drinks.
Stop, you sound like Miss Cleo.
I keep thinking that's a little Irish.
People just sound like Miss Cleo. But that's a little drinks. You're not even intoxicated yet, but you already are.
Okay.
Hello, what you just do? Black
Looks
people
better
need
like that.
lights.
It looks better like that.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I better look sexy.
Yeah.
I better be
You
looking
want,
good.
you want some cinnamon in yours?
Yeah, with the cinnamon.
Want the cinnamon?
No.
I ain't never gonna get this. Oh, he's a film director. He knows how to do all this.
Okay. All right. So the beginning of this whole thing. Sorry. So the beginning of the whole thing, we're gonna teach you how to make. Where you make, Talicia? What you making?
Oh, I'm going to be making salmon croquettes for you guys.
Samanawa.
Salmon croquettes. That's a Cajun dish from Louisiana.
And sorry guys, she already started. She not have no
No,
manners.
I didn't. This beans.
Oh, it's different.
This different. This beans. Well,
You know I ain't Southern.
I'll get y'all with the croquettes pretty soon.
And I will be making something that I made up from scratch. It's like coconut beans and pastas with vegetables and corns and carrots in a nice little pasta dish. And you were supposed to make
I was supposed to make cornbread.
vegan style. She's from Texas.
Then I kind of got lazy, so we switched to something that's looking better. So I'm gonna be making beans, like vegan beans. Wait, we're gonna cheers first, and then I'll finish telling you.
Cheers
what
to
I'm
the new
making.
year.
Happy
Happy New Year.
This is Christmas Eve.
But they're not gonna get it until New Year's.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Happy holidays, guys. Show baby Jay.
And then it said,
With his cute little self. Cutest black family of our blood clots. See?
Cheers.
Cheers. So people, we're gonna start with a garlic. And what you're gonna use the garlic for is the beans, the green split peas that we're gonna be using. You can use it to tenderize it so it cooks faster. So you know on me, I gotta do it. Smash it backside. I probably ended up using like about 3 of them. As the people in Jamaica would have said 3 of them. So you got your beans. That's probably been. Usually, let's keep it real, I was supposed to soak it overnight, but I didn't. So in order to speed up the process, add a little bit of garlic to the whole pot and let it boil. And you know it's cooked when it's tenderized. So Talicia, this is not gonna be in the shot at all. But what is it you're making, girl?
I am making Cajun style beans with a little twist. I kind of
What do you have in your hands?
chili powder that I am attempting to open. That I'm having the hardest time to
So
open.
what's in this stew?
So right now what we're working with is I soaked my beans overnight. So now I have the beans in, onion, garlic. We have a little bit of celery. What was that? Bell pepper?
Yeah, you did have bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
What's that little flaky thing?
And coconut milk. And then we just got done adding our Italian seasoning.
Well, over there.
Okay, so we're getting some seasons up in here. So right now I'm trying to get this chili powder open. We're gonna add some chili powder. Now I don't measure. I just kind of do it. I just sprinkle it in. So
Like a typical black person when they're cooking a little bit of this,
Yeah.
a little bit of that.
yep. And then we're gonna add my favorite thing in this because once it cooks down, we're gonna add some wine. I got a good wine that goes up into this. I had to switch this sucker up a little bit, man, because it's Christmas, so we're gonna make it special. This is the wine that we're going for inside. Screw it, it's a Melbic.
Skirt has some good wine.
This one does, but this one goes with.
You better save me some of that to drink as well.
I will, babe. This one goes with like a lot of fruits, vegetables, different type of cheeses. It's really good. It's a good blend. So I wanted to try it inside this so we can have a little fun.
Stay tuned, guys. Guys, so this is a close-up of what Talicia is making that she's not really telling us how to make. Maybe another day. What are you adding now?
Worcestershire sauce.
I don't think that's how you say it.
Man, y'all know what I'm saying. Worcestershire sauce.
Wait, you gotta.
Wait, how you?
There it is. I don't think that's the name. Worcestershire.
It's called Worcestershire.
Whatever Talicia says.
Worcestershire sauce. Whatever, Lear and Pepperin. That's who we adding to this.
What was this for?
Huh? Oh no, that's for croquettes.
Oh, what?
The croquettes, the salmon croquettes. That's the one I'm teaching y'all how to make today. Salmon croquettes.
Fair enough. We're gonna test this bad boy to see if it's starting boiling a little bit. If it's not, then you go ahead and you turn this bad boy a little bit further up. I think we should. What are you adding now?
Salt. I'm seasoning.
Okay, you gotta let us know, girl.
Girl, you went to your beans. I thought you were going from there. I was gonna tell y'all when we came back. So we're adding some Himalayan salt. I'm sorry. I'm trying to make this dish healthy. But this is kind of my own concoction also. I'm also adding some chicken. Wait, am I allowed to show the brands? Will they get me for showing the brands? No. Okay, yeah. So right now I'm adding the chicken bouillon.
So it's not vegan.
This is just broth. It's not real chicken.
So it's not vegan.
It's not vegan. There's no meat in it. No actual meat in this
But
dish.
it's chicken broth, guys.
It's chicken flavor.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's gonna make it taste good, guys, but sorry, vegan people.
Is
Is this the color it's supposed to be, or it's just coming along?
It's the color. It's gonna come along, but it's gonna darken and get richer. In
I feel
color.
like this is a mimic of the Rastafarian dish that I featured on my blog the other day, or I should say on my YouTube the other day.
But yours Jamaican style, mine's Southern style. Man.
Yeah,
I tell you,
we're not so different after all. Just a boat stop.
Yeah, all the dishes come out exactly the same. So guys, since we left and came back, this is what I added to it. We have some garlic powder, paprika. I added a little bit of sugar, turmeric, and salt. Oh, and some pepper. And then I'm about to add a little splash of hot sauce to this. And then I'm gonna sit
Can't
back.
be Southern without hot sauce.
Then I'm gonna sit back. Oh, I don't have Slap Your Mama, so we're gonna have to just go with Louisiana for now. And then I'm
There's
gonna
a sauce that's called Slap Your Mama.
Yeah, oh girl, that stuff is good. It's spicy as hell. It's so spicy, but it's so good.
I don't think it's as spicy as a Jamaican hot sauce.
You can't even touch it.
I will fight you.
Fight me, bro.
I will fight you with that.
We're keeping it real. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna tell you right now.
And she's obviously never had a Jamaican hot sauce. Because if you had a Jamaican hot sauce, there's no competition. You know what I mean? That Scotch bonnet, one of the hottest peppers in the world. Like, I'm just saying.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Turn this around. Because then you're going to get to the Southerners. And the Southerners are going to talk about how spicy their stuff is. What y'all going to do, Jamaicans?
But you know what they say, though? The closer you are to the equator, the richer, the more flavorful your fruits and vegetables are.
I'm close to the
So
equator,
this conversation is already over.
I'm close to the equator, too.
Jamaicans are closer.
Shut up. We buy some water. Louisiana hot sauce. We're about to add a couple of shots in there.
Oh my God.
I made it good, y'all.
Girl, you fool. Okay, guys, so this is the consistency of a cooked bean. It's going to be squishy, a little bit squishy, and also, like, it's going to be, like, if you want to test it yourself, you can easily go ahead and, like, you see it's, like, ready to go. Don't burn yourself, though. Okay, so now we're going to move on to those vegetables that I'll be adding to the pasta dish. So, you know, as usual, you got to get your little bit of sweetness and flavor from your onion. I am doing 1 onion. Peel that bad boy off. So what you want to go ahead and do is dice these bad boys so you can get a little nice bite in every bite. Not too small, though. Just a little bit of flavor so you can caramelize everything. Go ahead and add bell peppers. I'm gonna be dicing up these bell peppers as well. This knife could be a little bit sharper, but that's okay. So what I ended up doing is drying these time because I realized that it gives it like more of a concentration flavor. So the dry time actually is more stronger than the fresh time. You add that to your bowl. Add it now.
Alright, well right now our beans have cooked down to where when you eat it, it's soft, but it needs to cook down a little bit more. So when it gets to that point, we about to add our screw it. Because screw it, we're going to add wine to it. Why not? So open up this bad boy. Ugh. Yo, this bad boy smell good. Bro, smell that.
Yo, she right, fam. Oh my God, that smells amazing.
It smells so good. So now we're just going to add a good.
Oh damn, she ain't lying when she said screw it.
A good mixture in there. We're gonna let that cook down. I'm gonna add a little bit more for the ancestors. And let's make them feel good in there. And then we're just gonna let that cook down, let the flavors incorporate, and then we'll be back later to see how it all comes out.
Alright. Okay, people, this is Leonica just chopping up all the necessary carrots for our little pasta dish. That's going to be sauteed down in some coconut and little nice vegetables, my onions and my thymes, and you know how we do, okay? So we're definitely going to be moving on to peppers because, you know, I love my spice. So, but the people that can't handle spice, you already know what to do. These are being put in, I can't even talk. These are going into a different bowl, guys. It's not the same bowl as the seasoning for the flavor and for the carrots. I just put the carrots in a cup of water right there.
Okay guys, this is Talicia. I totally forgot to put the mushrooms in the stew, but it's okay. They cook really fast. So right now I'm just getting some mushrooms and chopping it up. Yeah, it's okay. It doesn't have to be pretty. All right.
Yeah, she's trying to take over the crib.
So yeah, we're done chopping the mushrooms, and now we're about to stick it in the stew. Throwing the mushrooms in the pot, and we're gonna stir this bad boy in, let it cook down some more. And this is actually pretty much almost done. Once the mushrooms cook down, we're good.
So now I'm going ahead and add in my pasta for my pasta dish. This is rice noodle. I've never tried rice noodle before, so I'm intrigued to see how it turns out. But you know how you cook pasta in boiling water with a little bit of oil to prevent it from sticking and a little bit of salt. And then you go ahead and you boil it for about 7 to 10 minutes. We are moving on to add in our vegetables, our seasoning vegetables, our bell peppers, our onions to a pot with coconut oil. And to get it sauteed a little bit and looking all good. But yeah. Guys, we got so hungry. We didn't get a chance to show you how to make the salmon brochette because we had to eat and it was getting to like about 10 o'clock. So in my next video, I'll show you how to make step-by-step brochette. But moving on to add in the green split peas to the pot and then add in my frozen coconut milk to it. I use frozen coconut milk because if you use a can and you have a little bit left, you know, you can just put it in the fridge and call it a day. You stir it around a little bit and you cover the pot so the coconut milk itself can de-thaw and look good. Next step will require you to add the rice noodles to the pot, and then you go ahead and add your carrots and all the necessary vegetables you need. I added tomatoes for a little bit of sweetness. You know, I love my tomatoes. And then I go ahead and add the broccoli, and I ended up going ahead and adding like the corn to the dish as well to start this bad boy off. Look at that corn. You see how beautiful that looks? The color was ridiculously amazing. But yeah, this is the final product of how it turned out. It turned out really, really good. It was so delicious. But remember to like, share, and subscribe for me, please. And this, before you go, is the dish, the final look of the dish Talicia created. It was so good. It was so amazing. Oh my God. But I'll talk to you in my next video on Let's Keep It Real. Oh.